Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CAT S42. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to type Send Anywhere over here and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. After that, select Receive on CAT and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will only select, for example, this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, you need to tap on the scanning icon on CAT, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was transferred successfully, but you can always check it out just for sure by going into Files, selecting Browse in the middle and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!